The sounds early in the morning are ones that can be easily overlooked, more so heard. And in Southeast Ohio, the birding community is right in the backyard of Ohio University. Between the campus, Wayne National Forest, and Hocking Hills State Park, there are plentiful spots one could settle down and tune into the sounds of the trees. During an early morning stroll across the backside of the golf course that runs along the edge of Ping Recreation Center, Lexi Potosky and Joe Brem's eyes gaze towards the sky. Rather than trying to snap an image of a tiny choir in the trees, listening to their calls or songs is key to understanding the season of the year. They don't differ from each other much. However, songs carry a much more complex and clear indicator of rhythm rather than a call, such as this one from a red cardinal, the official bird of Ohio, with a call that has a buzzing and high-pitched chirp as if running through a copy machine. Or the sound of a song sparrow, which is the most common bird in North America. These little birds are an array of brown and beige, with defining black and white stripes on its chest underneath the crown of the beak. The song can be described with two quick peaks in the beginning, followed by a note held out, then sandwiched with yet another quick series of peaks in tone. The calls of birds are also commonly known in American pop culture as well, such as a raven, or a bald eagle, which is associated for patriotism with the United States and pride in the country. The next time you walk your dog on the bike paths surrounding Ohio University, or take a hike in Hocking Hills, open up your ears to the sounds of the canopies above. Reporting for Southeast Ohio Magazine, I'm Claire Geary.